You're watching NBC 10 News at 6.
Tonight in Health Check, need a lift, a cosmetic lift? Barbara Moore Silva introduces us to one of the best doctors in the field, a local plastic surgeon who has been named a top doc in this month's Rhode Island Monthly magazine.
If you want to get Dr. Patrick Sullivan excited, bring up his work. He's in the business of making people look better.
I love the response that they seem to get from other people from their surgery.
60-year-old Peter Delecta came to Dr. Sullivan a year and a half ago looking for a younger, fresher look.
How are you? Good. Good. Wonderful. What we're doing is trying to do the most minimal procedure we can and get the most out of the result for the patient.
This is Peter before surgery. He had fullness and extra skin in his neck area and some droopiness around the eyes. Dr. Sullivan, using the latest in facial contouring techniques he developed, helped erase more than a dozen years from Peter's face.
What this shows us is how we plan for each person's individual face.
Dr. Sullivan carefully marks the areas he needs to lift or contour. In Maureen's case, it will involve, in part, contouring her neck, giving her a chin, and using fat transferred from her belly area, he will help eliminate the creases in her lip area. This was Maureen before.
Let's take the first left here.
And this is Maureen after.
There is an incision that came down like this, is hidden behind the ear here. I put it in a natural crease here, and then as we come down around here, the incision is hidden behind the ear back here, and then there's absolutely no incision back here at all.
Some people think, they're saying how much younger I look.
Maureen loves her improved appearance. But for Dr. Sullivan, it's not just about erasing years.
I try to set aside Tuesdays to do work on little kids with birth defects.
Like Cameron, who was born with a cleft palate and lip. That was then. This is now. Several surgeries later. The lip is done and looks great.
But the nose is probably going to need some work.
Dr. Sullivan is a board-certified plastic surgeon and takes pride in his work, always trying to come up with new, better ways to make folks look better. No wonder his peers voted him one of the best.
I'm honored. I'm honored by the people who made that possible.
Dr. Sullivan says it's important to do your homework when looking for a plastic surgeon. Make sure he or she is board certified. Take a look at their work and talk to some of their patients. Two other surgeons made this list, Drs. David Burrell and Richard Zenowitz. For a complete listing of all top docs, check out the May issue of Rhode Island Monthly. Tomorrow, meet one of the top anesthesiologists in our area. With Health Check, Barbara Moore Silva, NBC 10 News.